The ability to operate on somebody is, in fact, a tremendous privilege. It goes beyond what we're doing technically, but it's a trust that you or somebody has in me to say, look, I have a really big problem. I trust you to fix it. It's an honor and it's a big responsibility. I'm Marc Pelletier, Chief of Cardiac Surgery. The disease sometimes gets to a point where it defines that person. They can't go for a walk with their spouse, they can't play with their kids, they can't play with their grandkids. When we do bypass surgery, I don't cure the fact that they have heart disease. I fix what is going on physiologically, anatomically, and by doing that, I hope that I give them a little bit better quality of life. And in some cases, when we're fortunate, we just don't give them a better quality of life, but we give them more meaningful life, longer life. I've been on both sides of it. I have a father who had heart surgery, and you come to realize that even though I may do this every day, for that person, it's probably the only time in their life they're going to have this. Trying not to forget that is sometimes a bit tricky, but I don't think we can forget that, because the minute you do, you lose that humanity.